Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this video tutorial session, we will see how to compile and run Java program in Notepad++. It is easy to run a Java program in Notepad++. We have to do some setup. Let's do it. First, we will understand the prerequisite. Very simple, we are going to compile a Java program, so we must have Java JDK installed on our system. So you have to verify your system first for the Java. Okay, let's do it together. We have to open command prompt and we will type the simple command java space -version. Here we go for the command prompt. Press enter. Okay, if you are getting this message Java version 1.8, as you can see on my screen, I have Java 1.8 is installed, right? But in your case you are not getting this message, then you have to install Java first and then you can verify again. Make sure you are getting this message. It doesn't matter what version of Java you have, right? Let's move to the step 1. So first step is like we need the latest version of Notepad++. So I would recommend please download the latest version of Notepad++ to avoid the further problem for the plugin installation. Now at come step number 2. We have to install a plugin, right? I will show you what is the name of that plugin. This is the important step which is required to run a Java program in Notepad++. Here is my Notepad++. And now you have to go on the top menu, click on this plugins option, and now come to here plugin admins. In this available tab, in the search box type nppexe, and then you just check this box, click on this install button, click yes, and the installation will begin. You will get a pop-up box, click yes. Now you will see the downloading and the installation will be done quickly, and again automatically your Notepad++ will be opened. Now we will verify the plugin installation. Again go to the same place, plugins, and now here you will see the one more entry, nppexe, and its sub options. That means our installation is successful. Coming back to this Notepad, this is step number 3. In case you have Java installed, you have to make sure you have a Java_home environment variable setup, right? Let's see how you will do it. This is very simple. Those who have already done, they can jump to the step number 4, but for those who don't have, let's do it together. Go to the search and type environment, and you will get the result like here. Click, and this system properties window, click environment variables, come to this system variables section. Here you will find Java home. If Java home is there, that is fine. This entry must be there. Let me show you. I have just deleted, now creating the fresh Java_home variable. Now click on this new and then type variable name Java_home, and variable value will be the path of the installed JDK folder. Okay, use this Windows browse option and look for the folder where your Java is installed. Also make sure you have to select the folder name, right? This is the parent folder of the bin folder. Make sure, so path will be like this. The additional entry you have to do in the path variable, go to the path variable, just click edit, and then there you have to add %Java_home \bin. Once you've done it, you can come to verification step. Okay, now we will do the same verification, Java space -version, and now I'm getting the version name because this time I have pointed the Java 21 with the help of this Java home variable. Now we are at step number 4. In the step number 4, we have to do some setup in the Notepad++. Also, we will write a simple Java program and we will compile and execute. Open the Notepad++. Open a blank file, blank tab. Here you can simply write a Java program, or you simply copy a Java program from somewhere else. So this is our test class. In this test class, we are adding two numbers and then we are printing the sum of that. Go to the file and save this file. I would suggest please create a separate folder and save your programs in that particular folder. So this will be easy to find out. Okay, suppose I have selected this folder. I'm going to save my program with the name test.java, right? Because we are going to create a Java program. Click save. Now this file is saved with .java file extension. We are good at this step. Okay, the next step is go to the plugins. Now go to the nppexec and now go to the right side. Now click on the first option. There's a shortcut F9 key for that as well. You will get this pop-up window. In this pop-up window here, there is a place to write a command. In your case it may be blank or you are getting something else. Please delete everything in this command box, right? We will write a fresh command and I will explain you each step. The command is going to be very simple. Suppose you are running any program from the command prompt. So the same way we are writing this command here. Type cd space $ and then current underscore directory. That means you are reaching to the directory, right, where your program is exist. Now the second thing, once we reach to the program, we can simply compile this program. So we will use javac, which is the command to compile a program, $file name. Means this will pick the file name which is present in that folder, right? Now the second step will compile our file. Once the compilation is done, we will get .class file. In the third step, we will simply pick that .class file and we can execute. Execution is simple. Use the Java command and then get the file part. Means we will use $name part. Means the initial of means only the class name. We are avoiding .class. We are not including .class here at this third step. So this will pick Java space test, which is the right way to execute a class. So friends, these three lines will help to find, compile and then run our Java program. Once it is done, we will save this script with a name. Here is a button to just click on the save button and then we have to give a name to our script. Okay, in this box you have to type the name. You can type a relevant name like this is my Java run program script or whatever. You can choose anything and now finally click on the save. Once you click save, that name will be present here in this drop down. So whenever you need to run, you can simply choose, come here and execute your program. Okay friends, now we will see how to run a new program. Suppose you have created another program in the Notepad++. So you can simply go here on the plugins, nppexec, or choose the first option, or you can simply press F9 key and then you will get this pop-up window. You simply press OK and your program execution will be done. you can see here. Additionally, for more convenience, we can simply create a shortcut, or we can simply create a key combination, direct key combination to execute the program. The same thing I have explained in my previous tutorial, where I have shown you how to run a Python program in Notepad++. So you can visit that tutorial and check, and you can create the shortcut for this Java program execution in the Notepad++. You guys are smart. Please try it once. And I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. And please hit the like button to appreciate, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for your time and attention. See you in the next one. Bye for now.